what are some of the changes you see happening, Paul, or coming from vendors potentially in the future from this licensing of digital engineering software perspective?
Okay, no, thank you. I think it's clear to see for a lot of engineering companies out there, there is a massive push and pressure from some vendors to move onto cloud or platform as a service platforms. So every company out there seems to have their X version, which rather than being software installed on-premise, it means that the software is run from a cloud, from a web browser. We've seen some fantastic gains with Onshape and a whole host of other tools which are kind of SaaS native, and all the other vendors are really looking to do that as well. And they do it for several reasons. One of the biggest challenges for customers is the upgrade cycle. Customers, the vendors spend a lot of money creating fantastic functionality, synchronous technology, all these fantastic tools, but there's a delay in customers picking up because they tend to be 2 or 3 versions behind. They tend not to want to necessarily pay for all the latest functionality as well.